Hi Kansas City, this is Tony Healy with Shawnee Mission Primary Care, back with another episode of What's Going Around. You know, if your house is anything like mine, everybody's gearing up for the fall school year. In addition to shopping for new school supplies, that also means getting your fall physicals and your sports physicals. As you may be aware, annual physicals and sports physicals are an important part of your child's health maintenance, but in addition, they're a great opportunity to update on immunizations and screen for diseases like childhood depression and obesity. So if you are due for your annual physical, please follow up with your primary care doctor. Or, as you may not know, we do offer these services at CentraCare Shawnee Mission Urgent Care. In addition, we're open late on evenings and weekends. So if you or your child are due for your annual exam or their sports physical, please feel free to book a reservation at CentraCareKC.com.